In this lesson, we'll have a quick overview of the different areas in TMS as well as the buttons that's available to you. In the Tables Information section, we can have a look at the table name, the table type, the table status, and it can change from opening to opened, from closing to closed, or even temporarily closed. Next up is the dealer and the inspector, who is currently signed on. Next we'll look at tracking positions. Now we see it is 11. Now what that means is there is 11 boxes available for member player tracking. And the next option, is a table flippable? The answer is no, because this table can't flip and become something else. The new dealer and new inspector buttons are used when a new dealer or a new inspector signs on to TMS at the start of their shift. We use the Close Table button to close the table at the end of the day. When you are running low of certain chips, you use the Request Fill button to request a fill from the chip bank cashier. Use the hourly count to capture the chip count every hour as well as the head count, so the number of people playing at that time. After a card buy-in, whether it was rated or non-rated, to eject the card out of the card reader, you click the Eject Card button. Use the Rated Correction option to correct any rated buy-in, except if it was a buy-in from card. Now you can correct the cash or chip or credit chip buy-ins only. Rated buy-in is any kind of buy-in for a member. Now that could be chips, it could be card, it could be cash, it could be credit chips. So it's basically buy-ins for members. The non-rated buy-in is for people that want to stay anonymous and they don't want to earn points and they don't want to be tracked. Now the non-rated buy-ins will be for chips, cash or credit chips. If a mistake was made during a non-rated buy-in, it can be corrected using the non-rated correction. If a card buy-in for non-rated was done, you cannot fix that, as the money was deducted directly from the card. Use the refresh button to refresh the information on screen before the system refreshes it automatically. For a buy-in from a day card, use the non-rated card buy-in. When you have excess chips that you need to send to the chip bank, use the Send Credits button to do this transaction. This was just a quick overview on the TMS options and buttons that's available.